Welcome back to the channel, guys. I want to talk about this 4-hourly Ethereum USD chart. Something is telling me we're in for a huge move. Some volatility is on the way. There are a few indicators telling me this right now. So I'm going to be talking through this 4-hour chart, and I'm also going to be covering the Bitcoin dominance, which is absolutely imperative right now as to where we're going into a huge altcoin season, or we're going to see a reversal for Ethereum out of this downward wedge for a huge pump to the upside, as well as Bitcoin and a few of the other Bitcoins, guys. Please show your support down below. Smash up the like button, guys. That really does help. And a very quick mention before we get into this video: brand new offer just for our community on BYBIT, level up bonus, where you can win 1 Ethereum and up to 1 Bitcoin, weekly bonuses, and up to $4,100 bonus down below using the link. BYBIT's by far one of the best crypto trading exchanges. It's who I use to trade with. Anyway, let's get into the price action here, guys. Let's get into the video. I'm going to first kick things off on this daily chart, I think, for Ethereum, and show you where we are, just to catch up from where we left off last time. So you can see we're in this downward trend. We've been rejected off the 0.5 fib level, the Fibonacci retracement level. These levels are key in telling us where the resistance and support is. Now, at the moment, I can only assume, based on the technicals here and what the chart's showing us, that we are going to come down for another retest of this golden pocket, these golden levels. With any Fibonacci retracement, you always have a golden pocket. To get this fib level that I've drawn, I've on the daily chart here, I've gone back to the previous swing low back on the 21st of July, swing high, which we created on the 11th of November, and you, lo and behold, have these levels, which you can see are very well respected in terms of support and resistance. And currently, we're in a downward trend on the daily. You can see with 3 red candles in right now. And I'm assuming that we are going to come down to at least test $2,925. So sub $3,000 again. Leave your comments below before we continue to my predictions. Do you think we're going under $3,000 this week? Let me know. Let's get a conversation going about that. So looking at the 4-hourly chart here through Ethereum, what you can see that's happened in the last couple of days of trading, we have been creating this huge M pattern. I say huge, relatively speaking, in terms of the 4-hour chart. It's been in place since the 10th of January. Now, with an M pattern like this, guys, where you have a double top essentially, what you can consider is a target by using the depth of this shape, and you're gonna have to consider something like this. So if we come down and break below $3,000, if we break that 3K level, guys, and confirm it, well, it's bad news for the bulls. We're going to probably come down to somewhere around $2,600 to $2,700. Looking at this daily chart once again, you can see that that is well within the range of this falling wedge. We could come down and touch this support around $2,658 it would be. That could happen, and that wouldn't ultimately be overly bearish, put it that way. It wouldn't take us into a crypto winter or a bear market. It would actually be good. You could short it on the way down, make some profits, and buy cheaper Ethereum. And then what we're then be looking for and hoping for is, of course, that we get this bounce like we did here, this double bottom, like we did here, this double bottom. We may be creating another W. Looks most likely, to be quite honest. I think we're going to do something like that, come up. And let's look at that scenario. If we do create this W, which I anticipate will happen, I mean, it's game on, guys. The bull market would start again. You can equally use the depth here, and you're back in bull market territory, and we should get a nice pump up to near all-time high prices to continue the pattern into a very, very bullish sentiment, guys. Quick mention for those of you not already, do follow me on Twitter. You can see here I'm running a competition for $1,000. You can win $1,000. It's to help celebrate just going over 1,000 subscribers. So at Marzel Money on Twitter, follow me there. I post many times a day, so news, predictions. It's quite interesting tweets I put there. I think so anyway. So guys, let's quickly check out this Bitcoin dominance chart. This is incredibly important whether you're in Bitcoin or Ethereum, because ultimately this is going to drive the market. The dominance is low at the moment, relatively speaking. We're at 40%. In fact, if I zoom out of this daily chart on the Bitcoin dominance, what you can see is we're at pretty much a low. We haven't been this low since 2018, May 2018. Okay, forgive me. We were here in September and we were here in May, but the low point, if you like, is back in 2018. So we're seeing a big decrease in the dominance. And what's more interesting, we're in a consolidation pattern at the moment where we're going to be deciding whether Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to pump to the moon, or we're going to see a huge altcoin season. If we break this support at 39% and confirm it on the daily, be prepared for alts to pump. Okay, when Bitcoin and Ethereum move sideways and down, the altcoins pump. If we get a breakout, then we can consider that very bullish for Ethereum and Bitcoin, obviously, and we can continue to all-time high territories, which I believe is the most likely scenario. Although this is a bearish pattern, it would create, we've already created this double bottom, and I think we're going to break to the upside, is my opinion. I could be wrong, but that's what I believe is going to happen, and I'm getting ready to place some significant long positions very, very shortly on Bitcoin and on Ethereum, ADA, XRP. I will be using some leverage. If you want to trade, guys, and utilize leverage so you can magnify your profit, do check out my BYBIT for beginners video, because trading with leverage is it can be risky. You can lose money as well as make money. So I do have the BYBIT for beginners video, and of course we have the Marzel Trading Academy, where we teach interactively for beginners to intermediates all over Discord, live video sessions, how to trade. So you can check that out as well, guys. So before you go, please don't forget to obliterate the like button if you enjoyed this. Make sure you share the video, make sure you're subscribed. I am gonna also be doing an Instagram live with a quite famous UK celebrity here, was on a reality show called Love Island, Jamie Lewitt. You can tune in by checking him out at Jamie Lewitt on Instagram. I'm going to be doing a live talking all things crypto there at 8 p.m. UK time, so not long. If you catch it, check it out. Appreciate you joining me on this one, guys. Don't forget, I'm on Twitter at Marzel Money. Get your $4,100 bonus down below and win 1 Ethereum and up to 1 Bitcoin using my link below. And guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.